I've heard the legends of Sasquatch in the Upper Peninsula, but never in my life would I think I'd see a real live giant troll on this trip. So as you're driving down the road, look for this sign for Northland Outfitters, but then in front of it is the sign that will lead you to Benny the Beardfisher. Benny's story states that he follows a row of birdhouses to find his current spot. So when you enter, you come around the corner and you see this. Oh my gosh, he's a giant. So the artist who created this sculpture is the famous Thomas Dambo, who's done many of these trolls in various places. Just to give you a sense of scale, I'm standing here in front of Benny, and the detail is incredible down to even fingernails. Look at this. Just an amazing sculpture here. You got to come and visit this spot. Help these folks out. Check out this incredible sculpture. I'll put the address for the location of the sculpture in the comments. See you later, Benny. Good to meet you, my friend.